Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsync and unlink your Gmail accounts effectively, whether you've set up email forwarding, POP, MAP, or delegated access. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your Gmail accounts are managed independently and securely. Let's get started. First, if your accounts are linked via forwarding, you'll need to sign into the source Gmail account, which is the account that's sending emails to another address. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Next, navigate to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Here, check under the Forwarding section to see if any email forwarding is active. If it is, click Disable Forwarding to stop emails from being sent to another account. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure the settings are updated properly. Now, if you're managing multiple Gmail accounts using POP, IMAP, or account importing, there's a slightly different process. Sign into the receiving Gmail account, which is the account importing emails from others. Again, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon and selecting See All Settings. Switch to the Accounts and Import tab, scroll down to the Check Mail from Other Accounts section. Here, you'll see all accounts currently linked. To unlink an account, simply click Delete next to the specific account you want to remove. This will stop Gmail from fetching emails from that account, effectively unsyncing your accounts. Finally, if you've granted access to others through Gmail delegation, you can manage this as well. In the same Accounts and Import section, scroll down to grant access to your account. Here you'll see any delegates who have access. To remove someone, click Delete next to their email address. This will revoke their access, ensuring your account remains fully under your control. By following these steps, you can unsync and unlink Gmail accounts across all methods of connectivity, keeping your inbox organized and secure. Always double-check your settings after making changes to confirm everything is set up the way you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tutorials and tech tips.